This is the demonstration for Talend Cloud integration. From the task template, we can see this icon for the plugin under Cloud. If you select and proceed, if you see the general information section where you can provide the name of the job which you want to run and the workstation. For the connection, you need to provide the Talend Cloud endpoint, the client ID, and the client secret in order to authenticate to Talend Client. For the action, you have option to select the environment, the workspace, and eventually the task or plan. Also, you can provide the log pattern regex here to retrieve the return code from the job log. I have already submitted a job which I have defined here, TC01. If I go to the monitor section, I can see that it has been completed successfully. If I see the task log, I can see the details which I have provided while submitting the job, environment, workspace, etc. You can see the task execution logs as well as the exit status and execution logs in output properties along with other details like execution ID, status, return code, etc. That is all. Thank you.